Greetings, happy humans. What? You're not happy? Well, turn that frown upside down because today we're making 3D construction vehicles. I found these awesome, cute kits at the Dollar Tree. And I had to get them and put them together because I just had to see if they worked. It's like a 3D puzzle and they're all construction vehicles. I bought every single one of them. So I've put together the dump truck and this one with the hook and this little one back here. That's a scoop. And so this is the final vehicle. I saved this one especially for you guys so you can see how this works. Let's wrap it off. So the instructions for these kits are really limited. It's just this little graph on the back here. So it was a little tricky, the first car that I made, but I'm getting the hang of it. The cool thing is that this actually opens up and there's two sides that have pieces. So this thing has a lot of little pieces. Pop these out of here very carefully. Okay, that is everything. This is a lot of pieces to work with. I'm just going to admit right off the bat that my least favorite part, the part that I find the hardest of this entire process, is the tires. I caught a little bit of a break with this one because it has these big treads instead of the 4 small tires. That one was not as hard to put together. But all 3 of the other ones have these tires and they're so finicky. Okay, so after you have all these little holes punched out, then you put your tire together, and the tricky thing is this tread will only fit on here one way. So let's hope I'm getting this right. Come on. And you have to just pull it and stretch it on there so tight. There we go. That's one tire. I gotta do the tires first and just get it over with. Make sure I'm putting this on here right. That's not right. Is it this way? There we go. Oh, I think that's the easiest one that's ever gone on for me. That's great. That's not right. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Hold on. What do I try next? No, not that way. What if I try this way? Eesh. Get on there. What? That's not right either. Get off of there. Okay, try this. Why is it so hard? Why? Finally, why was that so hard for me? I don't know. I have just had the worst time with these stinking tires. Okay, so we got 3 tires done. 1 more to go. Okay, the worst is over. The tires are done. Now we've just got to figure out the rest of this. So here is our car body, our truck body. All these little foamy pieces out of here. Whoa! So we're going to connect the tires on here using these. They're kind of strange shaped pieces, but go on there like that. Where are the other ones? This one on. Okay, there we go. Slip the tires on. And then this little gray piece holds it together. Goes in there like that. Alright, that looks awesome already. So now, I have a bunch more little pieces to work with here. I'm going to start with the big piece, the cab of the truck. I'm trying not to break it. There we go. Okay, I believe this one goes here, and that one goes there. Now this is going to be a little tricky. We're going to put this through here and through here, and then we're going to put this on. Okay, stay. Okay, so far so good. You see that? No, not my tire. What am I doing here? Put this down in here. There's some little slots back here to slide this into. Oh wow! Oh, it's really coming together. I am getting so excited. Okay, we need to put these back on because they fell off. This one goes here. And I believe this truck body, or the cab of the truck, will help hold this in place. Wait, I'm up in the air again. This side. Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh, this is looking so amazing. Ooh, that's just engineering. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Put this in here. Okay, that's better. And then this is gonna hook on like this. See if you guys can see this. Woo! Put our little scoop on here. It hooks right back here. Right in there. Woo! Oh, that is so fun. Oh, where does this piece go? Oh, right here. Oh no, am I going to be able to get it in there now that I have these other pieces put in? See, it goes right down in there. I'll try it. I'll try to get it in there. I'm gonna wedge my way in here. Let me in! Oh, that's right. We could lift it up, right? Wait, now my tire's falling off. No. It's on. I made it, but now I've got to replace my tires. My tires, all but one, have fallen off. Let's hook those back in. Why does it look so lopsided now? I think I just totally messed that tire up. Oh my gosh. The last tire. Alright, there it is. I think it looks amazing. Absolutely in love with these little things. It seems so simple, like you're paying for, you know, cardboard. But they come out so cute. They're just irresistible. You have to just, I have to touch them and move them, and they're just awesome. Alright, that's it for this video. Bye, happy humans. If you like this video, click the like button below. Bye!